In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Solana meme coins and perps on Axiom. So, in case you don't have an Axiom account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, on here, this is, I think, one of the best platforms for you to trade Solana meme coins as well as perps or perpetuals as they are called. Now, over here, it's actually quite simple to do it. So the first thing you want to do after you open up your Axiom account, you want to go ahead over here at the top where it says deposit, click on that, and you want to make sure you deposit on some Solana. So first you have to, of course, copy this address, put it inside any of your other wallets where you're holding some Solana, and just transfer it over. Additionally, if you don't have any Solana anywhere, you can just buy it over here. So we can type in however much you want to buy, and then click on buy. This is powered by Coinbase, and you can then just buy it using one of the payment methods they have available. Now, that's the first step you want to do. Now, after you have some Solana on here, you can then just start trading. Now, the way you do this, you can do it either on the Discover page, but which is more important is the Pulse page over here. On here, you can see different new pairs, final stretches, and the migrated coins. And then once you find one that you would like to actually buy, so make sure to do your own research because most of these will always be scams. So make sure you actually do your own research. You can also set your filters up here. So as you can see, it's got everything you could possibly need. And then you have the wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, P&L trackers down here. You have the ability to basically do whatever you want in here. And after you're done this, you just want to click on basically on one of these coins you would like to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy this coin, and then you can just see, let me just lower this a bit, there we go. You can see over here how the coin is doing, and then on the right here you can just buy and sell and trade doing this. So you can set in the amount, the limit, you can put the advanced features on, or you can just sell it the exact same way. You can also use some presets which you can set down here at the bottom and then select which one of these three you want, and that's basically how you trade Solana meme coins. Now the second thing is perpetuals, and if you go to perpetuals up here, there we go. For this you will not need Solana, you will need some fiat. Okay, so if you go to deposit over here, you can go to convert, and you can convert that to some USDC. So for example, I can convert 0.1 Solana, or I can convert everything over here. For example, it's gonna get converted into USDC, as you can see, and then you can then start trading that with USDC. So we have all different coins. Click over here and you can see all the biggest coins right now in the world. You can just trade them if you want to. Click on them, and then the same way you can either long them or short them over here on the right, and then you can just put in the amount, buy, and then you're set to go. So that's how you trade Solana meme coins and perps on Axiom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.